Today's video is mainly going to be on this, which is also a power bank. Hello, I don't want to sound like a commercial. I just bought this. I bought this out of frustration and I'm loving it. It has a DC input. I can plug things in that use DC. I had a bad experience with my portable power supply where I found that it works great for cooking. My refrigerator cycles on and off. So this keeps shutting off when I'm driving down the road and that doesn't work. So I had to find some sort of an alternative. I'm still using this big guy, but it will only really run on solar panels now. It doesn't have the ability to store much energy in its battery because it's gone to the end of its cycles of life. I can still use it as an MPPT controller. It will still run. It says it's at 96%, but it's 96% of what? When I still had the Pacifica, I purchased this briefcase or folding solar panel. These are all power supplies and power banks, whether it's for AM, FM radio, or, well, again, these are power banks. Power bank. This one uses solar. This is a crank to power it up if you do lose your batteries. I usually use this one in the front of my van, but you can see what it has on it for features. This way I've got AM, FM radio, weather bands. These are for the United States, so it broadcasts NOAA weather. This is actually my first portable power station. It's a 350 watt Rock Pals. It looks like Rock Pals is out of business. This is 1,000 watt. It's my second oldest. And this can recharge. It takes quite a while, but it can recharge. It thinks it's doing that right now by the sunlight. That one's 10,000 watts. It's also a flashlight. This is a 40,000 watt flashlight, and it goes to my heated stadium seat, which is in a previous video. And again, without spending a lot of time on these, I'm big on solar. So these can recharge by solar. It's got a compass on it. But they're AM, FM radios, as well as weather and flashlights. I'm going to put the links to these things in the description section. Keep in mind, as I said, this does not exist anymore. This does not exist anymore, which is why I bought this, but I didn't realize that it's not going to work for me for my refrigerator. Anyway, getting back to this SetPower, I wanted a power bank that's 100 watt that would be able to take over for me if something else that I have could fail, and I haven't yet found anything that I don't like about it.